Trump administration is battling the federal judiciary once again. Yesterday, the president appointed Alina Habba as New Jersey's acting U.S. attorney. All this comes after a panel of judges voted not to extend her interim status. Here's Habba.
I think anybody that's known me in this public sphere for the last 4 years knows I'm not a coward to a fight. So I have obviously been doing my job. I do my job irrespective of who you are, what your politics are. That's what I said when I swore on my oath in that Oval Office.
Alexis McAdams has more on all of this for us. Hi, Alexis.
Hi, Sandra. Well, she said it herself right there. Alina Habba is not going to cower to pressure, she says, or answer in any politics. She wants this job and says she's all in, posting that she is now New Jersey's acting U.S. attorney. So this is what happened. Just hours before her 120-day term as interim U.S. attorney was just about to expire, the administration withdrew Habba's nomination for U.S. attorney of New Jersey. Habba had not been confirmed by the Senate yet, so the move allows her to serve as acting U.S. attorney for 210 days. So it's basically just a change of the title there, but she's going to have the same job, according to the White House. It comes after a group of New Jersey judges voted to get rid of Habba from her role, saying she wasn't qualified. Instead, they chose someone else for the job for the U.S. attorney of New Jersey. But the DOJ said, hold on a second, we don't want her. That pick is fired. So the judges were acting as political agents, according to the DOJ. So former assistant U.S. attorney for the Southern District of New York and Fox News contributor Andy McCarthy is weighing in, saying this move could really lead to just a big battle in court.
The president's position is that because he's the president and this is executive power, he should be able to appoint whoever he wants. But the Constitution's position is he has to get Senate approval for that.
Okay, so we're going to see what's going to happen with this one, too, with the battle with the judges. New Jersey Democratic senators were pushing back on the latest move from the Trump administration. That includes Cory Booker, who you see there, and Andy Kim. They issued a joint statement, Sandra, saying the White House is undermining the judiciary, saying this is another attempt by the Trump administration to install Alina Habba as U.S. attorney for the District of New Jersey by bypassing the court's lawful authority and ignoring the required advice and consent of Congress. It's not the first time, though, that the White House has used this tactic. Just earlier this month, out in upstate New York near Albany, a group of federal judges voted to get rid of Trump's pick for U.S. attorney there. So the administration said, OK, we're just going to name him special attorney to the AG, which for now gives him the powers of a U.S. attorney. So they kind of flip around with these titles, and they're going to see if it works out.
Got it. All right, Alexis McAdams on that for us. Thank you very much.
Sandra.
Hey, everyone. I'm Emily Campagno. Catch me and my co-hosts Harris Faulkner and Kaylee McEnany on Outnumbered every weekday at 12 p.m. Eastern, or set your DVR. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page for daily highlights.